Selecting the appropriate cord for a fountain installation is crucial for safety and code compliance. The question revolves around identifying which type of cord is rated for direct contact with water. The correct answer is SOCORD. SOCORD, which stands for Service Oil Resistant, is a type of flexible cord designed for hard usage. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including those where the cord may be exposed to oil, water, or other environmental factors. The key feature that makes SOCORD appropriate for fountain use is its insulation and jacket materials. These materials are specifically formulated to resist degradation when exposed to water and other fluids, ensuring long-term reliability and safety. The insulation of SOCORD is typically made of thermoset rubber compounds, providing excellent electrical insulation and resistance to moisture. The outer jacket is also made of a durable, oil-resistant material that protects the conductors from physical damage and environmental factors. Other types of cords, such as SFSJ, SOS, and C, have different characteristics and applications. SFSJ stands for Service Flexible Stranded Junior. This type of cord is typically used for light-duty applications such as lamps and small appliances. It is not designed for hard usage or exposure to water. SOS stands for Service Oil Resistant Extra Hard Usage. While it includes oil resistance and extra hard usage characteristics, its specific suitability for direct water contact in fountain applications would still necessitate verification against product-specific ratings and local codes. SE stands for Service Elastomer. While also suitable for heavy duty, it may not be specifically designed or rated for direct water contact. SOCORD is specifically designed to withstand the rigors of direct water contact in fountain applications. When selecting a cord for a fountain, it is essential to consider several factors. Firstly, the cord must be rated for outdoor use. This ensures that the cord is designed to withstand exposure to sunlight, rain, and other environmental elements. Secondly, the cord must be suitable for wet locations. This means that the cord is constructed with materials that resist water absorption and degradation. Thirdly, the cord must be sized appropriately for the electrical load of the fountain. This ensures that the cord can safely carry the required current without overheating. To determine the appropriate cord size, consult the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC provides tables that specify the allowable ampacities of different types of cords and cables based on their size and insulation type. Refer to NEC Table 400.5 and 400.5b for flexible cords and cables allowable ampacities. When installing the cord, it is essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations. This includes using proper wiring techniques and ensuring that all connections are made securely. It is also important to protect the cord from physical damage by routing it in a manner that minimizes the risk of abrasion or impact. In addition to selecting the correct cord type and size, it is also important to use appropriate fittings and connectors. These fittings should be designed for use in wet locations and should provide a watertight seal to prevent water from entering the electrical system. When connecting the cord to the fountain and the power source, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This will help to ensure a safe and reliable electrical connection. It is also important to ground the fountain properly. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, which helps to protect against electric shock. The grounding conductor should be connected to the fountain's metal parts and to the grounding system of the electrical panel. Regular inspection and maintenance of the fountain's electrical system are essential for ensuring continued safety and reliability. This includes checking the cord for signs of damage, such as cracks, cuts, or abrasions. It also includes inspecting the fittings and connectors for corrosion or looseness. If any problems are found, they should be corrected immediately by a qualified electrician. Ignoring electrical issues can lead to safety hazards and costly repairs. Another important consideration is the use of a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. A GFCI is a device that detects small amounts of current leakage to ground and quickly interrupts the circuit. This can help to prevent electric shock in the event of a fault. GFCI protection is typically required for outdoor electrical outlets and equipment, including fountains. In summary, selecting the correct cord for a fountain involves several key steps. Firstly, identify a cord type rated for direct water contact, such as SO cord. Secondly, determine the appropriate cord size based on the fountain's electrical load and the NEC tables. Thirdly, use appropriate fittings and connectors designed for wet locations. Fourthly, ground the fountain properly. Fifthly, protect the cord from physical damage. Sixthly, install a GFCI for shock protection. Seventhly, perform regular inspection and maintenance. By following these steps, you can ensure that the fountain's electrical system is safe, reliable, and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. SO cord is the correct choice for fountain applications because it is specifically designed and rated for direct water contact. Other types of cords may not have the necessary insulation and jacket materials to withstand the rigors of this environment. Always verify the specific ratings and suitability of any cord against product specifications and local electrical codes before installation. Remember to prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable electrical codes when installing or maintaining a fountain's electrical system. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult a qualified electrician for assistance. Proper cord selection and installation are critical for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of a fountain. The choice of SO cord directly addresses the need for a water-resistant and durable cable, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards and ensuring long-term performance. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including those involving water features like fountains. It is crucial to consult the NEC to ensure that the fountain's electrical system complies with all applicable requirements. Specific articles in the NEC address wiring methods, grounding, and overcurrent protection for outdoor installations. It is also important to consider the ambient temperature in which the cord will be used. The NEC specifies temperature ratings for different types of cords, and it is essential to select a cord that is suitable for the expected temperature range. Overcurrent protection is another critical aspect of fountain electrical safety. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, are designed to protect the electrical system from damage due to excessive current flow. These devices should be sized appropriately for the cord's ampacity and the fountain's electrical load. Proper grounding is essential for preventing electric shock. The grounding system should be designed to provide a lower impedance path for fault current to flow back to the source. This helps to ensure that overcurrent protection devices will trip quickly in the event of a fault. Regular maintenance of the fountain's electrical system is also crucial for ensuring continued safety and reliability. This includes visually inspecting the cord, fittings, and connectors for signs of damage or corrosion. It also includes testing the GFCI to ensure that it is functioning properly. When performing any maintenance on the fountain's electrical system, be sure to disconnect the power source first. This will help to prevent electric shock. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified electrician for assistance. They have the knowledge and experience to safely and effectively maintain the fountain's electrical system. Choosing the correct cord, such as SO cord, for a fountain installation is a critical step in ensuring safety and code compliance. By following the guidelines outlined in the NEC and consulting with a qualified electrician, you can create a beautiful and safe water feature. The selection of SO cord is a testament to its durability and suitability for wet environments, making it a reliable choice for fountain applications. Remember that electrical safety is paramount, and adhering to best practices and codes is essential for protecting people and property. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work. They can assess your specific situation and provide tailored recommendations to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Understanding the specific requirements for fountain electrical systems is essential for anyone involved in their installation or maintenance. The NEC provides a comprehensive framework for ensuring that these systems are designed and installed in a manner that minimizes the risk of electrical hazards.